Hello, lovelies. You're welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all with me today again. Lovelies, we are making this homemade pizza. This is so simple and the result is amazing. It's a must try for everyone. So let us get it started. All you need are your all-purpose flour, yeast, salt. You may add some sugar, but I won't be using that today. So now mix all these dry ingredients together. Now add your chopped garlic into it. After that, add the lukewarm water you'll be using little by little. Please check the description box or the comment section for exact measurements used in this video. Thank you. So like I've said, be adding the water little by little and be mixing. And after you add the last one, now mix everything together. Let them be well combined. My shout out today will be going to RSK. Thank you so much for always liking our recipes. Remember to leave a comment. It might be the next one on my shout out next time. So it's now time to add olive oil into it. Now mix again thoroughly. And it is now time to knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just keep kneading it like that. So after that, you need to cover it and allow it to rise for about 1 hour. After that, let's prepare our topping. That is the bell pepper I'll be using. I'm using 2 bell pepper. What I'm doing now is that I'm going to dice it, not to small cubes but to big cubes, okay? For easy topping, that is how I want it. So after that, you just pack everything together and keep it aside. I'll be using onion. I'm using just only 1 onion. If you love onions, you can use 2. Okay, so it's now time to slice the onions. I sliced it and I now cut each slice to 2. Okay, so I won't just leave it like this. You need to separate them from one another. That is now ready. Keep it aside. That is my tomato sauce. I only added salt into the tomato sauce. More than that, I didn't add. That's the mushroom I'll be using. And I'll be using olive oil fruit. If it's available, add it to it. You will love it. I'm using tuna fish today. Tuna fish. You can use chicken. You can use salami. You can use any other fish that you love. But tuna fish is what I'll be using today. I got myself just 2 cans of it. So that is my tuna fish. So let's move on. That is what I'll be using for baking it. I'm using a baking tray. I pour some olive oil into it and grease it for easy baking and for easy removal. Guys, that is our dough. It is now ready. Punch out the air in the dough and transfer it into the greased baking tray. Just grease your hand and now spread the dough. Spread it well. Push all the excess to the edges of the tray. Okay, so when it's well spread like this, now pour the tomato sauce into it and spread the tomato sauce as well. After that, get your tuna fish or your salami or your any other kind of fish that you're using. Now it's now time to add it as well into it. Spread it all over as much as you can. Now that is my mushroom. Now I'm spreading the mushroom on top of the tuna fish. That is the onion. It's now time to spread it all over again. And that is the bell pepper, tatashe, paprika. Spread it as well. So it's now time to add my chili powder. You know I love it spicy. If you don't like this, omit it, okay? And that is seasoning mixture with, this is mixed with salt and some herbs. If you have it, good. If you don't have it, use any other ingredients you're used to. I'll be using oregano. I'll be using bits of rosemary, just a bit of it. I love the smell. And it's now time to add olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, use vegetable oil, but olive oil is healthy. And I'll be using olive oil fruit as well. Okay, It looks good and tastes yummy as well. If you have it, add it, you will love it. So after that, now time to sprinkle your cheese all over it. I'm using Gouda. You can use cheddar. Just use any cheese you have. Spread it on top of the pizza dough and preheat your oven up to 200 centigrade and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Tra-la-la! That is our homemade pizza. Lovely. You need to try this. Bake this for your family and everyone will love it. I must tell you, everyone enjoyed this. My husband, my children, everyone enjoy this, and it is so simple to prepare. It is so easy. Let me show you how it looks inside, and I'm going to show you the back of it as well. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to leave a comment. I'll be giving you a shout out on my next video. Let's look at it. That is the result. Look at the top and look at the top. Let me show you the down of it. Look at it, perfectly baked. This is amazing, simple and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.